Hi friends, I am Max and today we are going on the most amazing adventure ever. We are going to learn, play and discover all the things that make life awesome for kids like us. And we will even find out what our parents really want us to know. Let's get started. How to be the best kid ever. First, helping out at home. Did you know that helping out at home is one of the best ways to show your parents how awesome you are? Whether it's picking up your toys or setting the table, every little thing you do makes a big difference. Second, being kind and sharing. Max playing with friends, sharing toys and helping a friend who is feeling sad. Max being kind and sharing with others makes everyone feel good. Whether it's sharing your toys or helping a friend, kindness is one of the most important things you can learn. Third, healthy habits are fun. Taking care of yourself is super important. Let's make brushing our teeth, eating healthy snacks and playing outside a fun part of every day. Remember, every day is an adventure. So keep learning, playing and being the awesome kid that you are. See you next time. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Let's keep the fun going and learn something new together every day.